channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to share with you guys how I did this look, this so fancy look, this So yeah, because Valentine's is almost there, I've decided to do a look na babagay sa Valentine's Day, especially to those na magkakaroon ng kadate. Yeah guys, I think this look is really nice, romantic, sexy, and whatever. I really love this look. And yeah guys, if you're interested on how I did this look, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and yeah, you will be notified every time I post a video here on my channel. Comment down below any video suggestion, and yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. First thing I'm going to do is to put a foundation on my face, and the foundation that I'm going to use is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade 220 guys. For my concealer guys, I'm going to use the Fit Me concealer in the shade 25. Yes, as you can see, ubos na siya. Uubusin na lang din natin siya. So the next is I'm gonna bake my face, and I'm using this final powder from Nichido. So guys, habang hinihintay ko mag-bake yung face ko, I'm gonna do muna my eyebrow quickly, and I'll be back. So, I'm back guys. So, tapos na yung kilay ko and hindi pa okay yung bake ko. So, I will proceed na on my eye makeup. So, for my eye makeup, I'll be using my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I will be getting the shade Summer Yum to put it on my crease. The next shade I'm going to get is this Georgia. I'll be putting it in the inner corner of my eyes. Palette is I'm going to use this lustrous palette, and I will be getting this dark maroon. I'm gonna put a concealer para dumikit siya. Ayusin ko na yung face ko kasi there's a lot of fallouts na din. So, tatanggalin lang natin yung fallouts niya. Summer Yum from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Lalagay ko lang siya dito. I will put this on my tear duct. Like that. Charan! So, eto na guys. Nalagay ko na nga yung eyelashes ko. It's not perfect, but I'm still practicing kasi on how to put mascara, false eyelashes. So yun, let's move on to the face. Let's contour our face na. So for my contour, gagamitin ko itong Last Truth bronzer and highlight palette. And I'll be using this shade, this warm shade. This Maybelline Color Show blush in the shade Peachy Sweetie. And ilalagay ko lang siya dito. So for my highlight, I'll be using this AB Advanced Glow Out Highlighter. And this is in a shade Strobe. I'm just gonna put this on the high points of my face. Just to define the high points that I have on my face. So for my lips, guys, I'll be using a 2 Lipids product. One from EB Matte Lip Liner. Ito yung shade niya. And one for Maybelline, the Clay Crush. So yeah guys, here's the final look. Ito na yung kinalabasan ng makeup look natin. OMG! Talaga. Mala Bretman rack and whatever. Slaying. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed watching this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a video here on my YouTube channel. Comment down below any video suggestion and I'll try my best to do it. And see you in my next video. Bye!